There are more ways for contractors to screw you than Taylor Swift has hits. But here are 5 signs that you've hired the right contractor. Number 5, they tell you what's going to happen before it happens. When I was in custom home building and managing projects, I found myself teaching clients more about the building process than I had ever dreamed of. They responded by being really awesome clients, and it made my life so much easier as well as theirs. They understood what was coming next, and they weren't calling me every 5 seconds asking about what's going on their project. They knew what was going to happen. Number 4, they have documents and processes in place for just about every stage of the build. When clients ask how builders do certain things and the builder pulls out a form or a process to illustrate that they've been there before, it makes the client feel like, well, they've been there before and they're in good hands. If a client asks how a builder does something and they go, I don't know, we just do it, that doesn't make the client feel great. And yes, the nuances of each project are a little different, but by and large, the processes for every new home build are mostly the same. So things like client onboarding or scheduling or budgeting can be systemized. Number 3, they're willing to adapt to you. Sometimes builders get really entrenched and they only use certain payment structures and certain contract types. So if they're willing to adapt to your wants and needs, it shows they care about your experience and they're willing to change to give you a high level of service. Number 2, they bring you options. Sometimes things just don't go according to plan on site and decisions need to be made. The right builder will bring you into the loop and present you options for every issue that comes up. There should be a number of solutions, and when builders have itemized solutions based on cost, that's how you know you've hired the right builder that cares about your experience and cares that you feel that you're in the loop. And the number 1 way that you know you've hired the right builder is if they can take responsibility. So generally, the builder is in charge of a lot of different people, sub-trades and their own labor forces, and sometimes mistakes are made. It's a human industry. So when that builder can say and come to you honestly and say, look, we didn't do this as well as we could have, or look, this wasn't our best and we'll make it right. That goes a long way in showing you that the builder cares about your experience and they have a high integrity level and they're not just going to pass the buck and try to blame it on someone else. That's a huge one, and that's why it's number 1. So those are 5 ways that you know you've hired the right builder. I'm Aaron from Albatross Academy. We're an organization that helps homeowners navigate their construction process through online resources, digital products, and one-on-one consultation. Please look me up on all social platforms, as well as, of course, YouTube, where you can like and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.